Welcome to Greater Zion, where adventure meets tranquility. Heading south on I-15, take the Southern Parkway exit and drive straight a quarter mile. Then take exit 1 and turn right onto Desert Color Parkway. A quarter mile farther, take another right onto the dirt road. Follow that path for half a mile and park at the trailhead. Aspiration Trail is an outdoor project created by Kevin and Ann Hansen. Their inspiration came from their desire to help parents find activities to do with their kids. This hike brings families closer together. Every step you take is guided by rocks painted with words of encouragement, reminding you that the greatest adventures begin with a single step. Thanks to the wide trail and moderate incline, this is an accessible hike for all ages. Just make sure to bring water and sunscreen, because you won't find any shade on this trail. Design your own piece of the trail by leaving a rock, signifying your achievement. The land of adventure is calling. Discover the extraordinary, discover yourself in Greater Zion.